Welcome back to Live from the Camper. And today we're making, ready for it? Pressure cooker pepperoni pizza pasta. Woo, that's a mouthful. I sure hope it's easier to make than it is to say, but it sounds delicious. So are you hungry? Good. Let's get cooking. Here's all the ingredients you're going to need for the pressure cooker pepperoni pizza pasta. Man, it's like a tongue twister. Whew. You need chicken broth, cheap red wine, black pepper, red pepper flake, oregano, basil, kosher salt, onion, 1 pound of Italian sausage, garlic, 4 cups of mozzarella cheese, pepperoni slices, peeled tomatoes, puree tomatoes, and rigatoni. Saute on medium-high. Start. Let's get it warmed up. Now that it's preheated, let's go ahead and brown up that Italian sausage. Now that you've crumbled up all the Italian sausage and it's brown, let's take it out and put it on a plate. Make sure you put a paper towel on that plate, catch all that grease, and use your slotted spoon and get out that sausage. Sure smells good. Go ahead and add some olive oil and the onions. Hit it with 4 tablespoons of garlic. We're going to cook this onions and garlic for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to add our seasonings. 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of dried basil, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flake, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Let's cook that for about 5 minutes until the onions are starting to brown. All right, that's looking delicious and smelling amazing. Now that that's brown, put that sausage back in there. Stir it up. Go ahead and add your 1 cup of wine. Whew, that smells so good. Now let's add those peeled tomatoes, 28 ounces. Now we'll add the tomato puree, 2 cups of chicken broth, and last but not least, the rigatoni, 1 box. Give that a good stir. Now if you're using the Instapot, stir up everything, then pour the pasta on top. You don't want to stir the pasta in an Instapot because it'll stick to the bottom. On the Foodi, that's a non-stick pot, so you can stir it up. Now go ahead and put your pressure lid on. Make sure you put it in seal. Pressure cook on high, 6 minutes. Start. That's it. That's all you gotta do. So we pressure cooked it for 6 minutes on high. We did a 10-minute natural release. Now we're gonna go ahead and let the rest of the pressure out. So if you're not using the Ninja Foodi and you're using the Instapot or any other pressure cooker, at this time you wanna get a 9x13 pan, because before you put the cheese and everything on it, you wanna dump it into the pan, then cover it with cheese, preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then bake it in there. But since we're using the Ninja Foodi, we're gonna do it all right in here. The pin is dropped. Let's see what we got. Go ahead and get your spoon, stir it up. And again, if you're not using a Ninja Foodi, now pour it into a 9x13, cover it with 3 cups of cheese, then put your pepperoni on top, and then put the remaining cheese on top and bake it at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes until the cheese is golden brown. Doesn't that look delicious? Smells amazing too. So you can put 3 cups of mozzarella cheese. This bag's equivalent to 2 cups. Use half the other bag. Go ahead and put your pepperoni on top of that cheese. You can use regular pepperoni, thinly sliced pepperoni. I like to use the minis. Do not leave that in there. Now that you have your pepperoni in there, top it off with the rest of your cheese. So we're air crisping at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Now if you put it in the oven, 400 degrees, 10 minutes or until golden brown. All right, it's been 5 minutes and let's take a look. That looks amazing. Let's take a look. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? It looks like pizza, but it's pasta. I can't wait to try that. Oh, look at that. All right, I've never had this before, so we're gonna try it together so you can see if it's really good or not. Of course, if it's not, I'm gonna edit out me spitting it out in the trash. But let's not hope we get to that. Oh yeah. You ever eat something so good it makes you do the happy dance? I'm doing the happy dance. My word, that is good. You can taste the Italian sausage in there, the pepperoni, the melted cheese, the rigatoni. I love the 1 cup of the red wine in there. Gave it that little twang. That is ridiculously good. Oh man, I'm gonna have to have another bite. Yes, 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 yes. I would not be embarrassed to serve this to my Italian friend Patty back in Kansas City. I just wouldn't let her know I use cheap red wine. If you've been enjoying my videos, go ahead and hit that red button in the bottom right-hand corner and subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you like, dislike, or something you'd like me to make. So I have one question for you. Are you hungry? Let's go eat. All right, the timer's gone off. We did a 5-minute air crisp. Why can't I say the word? All right, we did a 5-minute air crisp. Crisp. Why does that sound weird when I say it? Crisp. Air crisps. Air crisps. I can't say it. Air crisps. Air crisp. It's like a steam bath of tomato goodness. Better clean this up before my wife gets here. She'll beat me, and it hurts. We air crisped it. Air crisp. Air crisped it. Air crisped. I can't say it.